Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. This series of talks on the meanings of our dua has been inspired by a particular farman of Mawlana Hazir Imam Nur Mawlana Shah Karim al-Husseini Salawatullahi alayhi, which he made at Pune, India on 22nd February 1969. My beloved spiritual children, I came in and I heard several surahs of the Quran being recited, and I remind you of the farman which I made to you in the past. I would like each and every spiritual child not only to know the dua by heart, but to understand the meaning of the dua. It is fundamental for you and for your children and for the future of our Jamaat that each and every one of you, particularly the younger members of the Jamaat, should understand the meaning of the dua. Inspired by this particular farman, this series of talks will explore the deeper, the esoteric, the batini meanings of our dua. Our dua, as we all know, is a compulsory or an obligatory aspect of our Tariqah rites and practices.